Daska is a city in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan. Nestled amidst the fertile plains of this vibrant region, Daska is often overlooked by travelers who are drawn to the more famous cities of Lahore and Islamabad. However, those who take the time to explore this hidden gem are rewarded with a unique blend of history, culture and natural beauty that is hard to find elsewhere. It is a place of bustling markets and warm hospitality. The markets of Daska are a sensory delight, filled with the vibrant colors of fresh produce, the rich aromas of spices and the lively chatter of vendors and customers. Here you can find everything from traditional handicrafts to modern goods, all sold with a smile and a friendly word. But beyond the city limits, a different world awaits. Just a short drive from the bustling city centre, the landscape transforms into a serene countryside where time seems to slow down and the hustle and bustle of city life fades away. Daska is surrounded by a landscape of breathtaking natural beauty. The rolling hills, lush green fields and meandering rivers create a picturesque setting that is perfect for those looking to escape the noise and stress of urban life. Rolling fields stretch as far as the eye can see. These fields are not just beautiful to look at, they are also the lifeblood of the local economy, providing food and livelihoods for the people of Daska. The air is alive with the songs of birds. The diverse bird life in the region is a testament to the rich natural environment that Daska offers. Birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts will find plenty to marvel at here. This is a place where life is still lived in harmony with nature. The people of Daska have a deep respect for the land and its resources, and this is reflected in their sustainable farming practices and their commitment to preserving the natural beauty of the area. Daska is a place of ancient history and rich culture. The city is home to numerous historical landmarks that tell the story of its long and storied past. From ancient temples to colonial-era buildings, there is much to explore and discover. It has been a center of trade for centuries. The markets of Daska have long been a hub of commerce, attracting traders and merchants from far and wide. This rich trading history has left its mark on the city, giving it a unique character and charm. The city's strategic location on ancient trade routes has shaped its destiny. Daska's position at the crossroads of important trade routes has made it a melting pot of cultures and traditions, enriching its cultural tapestry and making it a fascinating place to explore. Today, Daska is a vibrant hub of commerce and industry. The city has embraced modernity while still retaining its traditional charm. Its industrial areas are bustling with activity, contributing to the economic growth of the region. But it has never lost its connection to the land. Despite the rapid development, the people of Daska remain deeply connected to their agricultural roots. Farming is not just a livelihood here, it is a way of life that is passed down through generations. The people of Daska are proud of their heritage. They take great pride in their history, their culture, and their way of life. This pride is evident in the way they welcome visitors, eager to share the stories and traditions that make their city unique. They are known for their hard work and their love of life. The people of Daska are renowned for their strong work ethic and their zest for life. Whether they are working in the fields, running a business, or celebrating a festival, they do so with passion and enthusiasm. The city is a melting pot of different cultures and traditions. Daska's diverse population brings together a rich tapestry of cultural influences, creating a vibrant and dynamic community. Festivals and cultural events are a regular occurrence, showcasing the city's unique blend of traditions. This unique blend is what gives Daska its special charm. The harmonious coexistence of the old and the new, the traditional and the modern, is what makes Daska a truly special place. It is a city that honors its past while looking forward to the future. In the following sections, we will journey into the heart of Daska's natural beauty. We will explore the stunning landscapes that surround the city, from the rolling hills to the tranquil rivers, and discover the hidden gems that make this region so special. We will explore its rich agricultural traditions and its vibrant culture. Join us as we delve into the heart of Daska, uncovering the stories, the people, and the places that make this city a true hidden gem. Daska is known as the Green Heart of Punjab, and for good reason. This small town, nestled in the heart of the Punjab region, is a testament to the incredible fertility and agricultural prowess of the area. The landscape here is a vibrant tapestry of green, stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a place where the land and the people share a deep symbiotic relationship, each nurturing the other in a cycle of growth and sustenance. The land here is incredibly fertile. The soil, dark and rich, is a gift from the rivers that flow through Punjab, depositing nutrient-rich silt that rejuvenates the earth year after year. This alluvial soil is the lifeblood of the region, providing the perfect conditions for a variety of crops to thrive. It's not just the soil that's rich. It's the history and tradition of farming that have been passed down through generations. It is nourished by the rich, alluvial soil of the Punjab region. This soil, carried by the rivers from the Himalayas, is packed with nutrients that make it incredibly fertile. Farmers here have learned to work with this natural bounty, using techniques that have been honed over centuries to maximize the yield and health of their crops. The soil is not just a medium for growth, it's a living entity that farmers respect and care for. This makes Daska a perfect place for agriculture. The fields are alive with activity as farmers tend to their crops with a dedication that is both inspiring and humbling. They work from dawn till dusk, ensuring that every plant gets the care it needs to flourish. The result is a landscape that is not only productive but also breathtakingly beautiful. The fields here are a patchwork quilt of different crops. Each plot of land is carefully managed to ensure that the soil remains fertile and productive. This diversity is not just a testament to the skill of the farmers, but also a reflection of the rich agricultural heritage of the region. From above, the fields look like a beautiful mosaic, each piece contributing to the overall picture of abundance and prosperity. Wheat, rice, and sugarcane sway in the breeze. These are the staple crops of the region, each one playing a crucial role in the local economy and culture. The sight of these crops moving gently in the wind is a reminder of the hard work and dedication that goes into every harvest. It's a dance of nature and human effort, a partnership that has sustained the people of Daska for generations. Farmers tend to their land with care, using traditional methods passed down through generations. These methods, while rooted in tradition, are also incredibly effective. They have been refined over time to suit the specific conditions of the region, ensuring that the land remains productive and healthy. The farmers' deep connection to their land is evident in every action, from planting to harvesting. The air is filled with the scent of freshly tilled earth. This is a smell that signifies new beginnings and the promise of a bountiful harvest. It's a scent that is deeply ingrained in the lives of the people here, a constant reminder of the cycle of life and growth that defines their existence. The act of tilling the soil is both a practical necessity and a ritual that connects the farmers to their land. This is a place where life begins anew with each harvest. The sight of new crops sprouting from the earth is a testament to the resilience and vitality of the land. Each new growth is a promise of sustenance and prosperity, a sign that the hard work of the farmers has paid off. It's a cycle that repeats itself year after year, each harvest bringing with it a sense of renewal and hope. The farmers of Daska are the backbone of the local economy. Their work is not just about growing crops. It's about sustaining a way of life that has been passed down through generations. They take pride in their work, knowing that they are providing for their families and contributing to the well-being of their community. Their efforts are a testament to the strength and resilience of the human spirit. They work tirelessly to provide food for their families and for the nation. The produce they grow is not just food, it's a symbol of their hard work and dedication. Each basket of fresh produce is a testament to the countless hours spent in the fields tending to the crops with care and precision. The farmers' commitment to their work is evident in the quality of the produce they bring to market. Their connection to the land is deep and unwavering. This connection is not just about the physical act of farming, it's about a deep spiritual bond with the earth. The farmers of Daska understand that their well-being is tied to the health of the land, and they treat it with the respect and care it deserves. This bond is evident in every aspect of their work, from the way they till the soil to the way they harvest their crops. The green fields of Daska are not just a source of food. They're a symbol of the region's rich agricultural heritage and a testament to the hard work and dedication of its people. These fields are a living, breathing entity, a place where the past and present come together in a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. They are a source of pride for the people of Daska, a reminder of their deep connection to the land. They are also a place of peace and tranquility. The serene beauty of the fields is a balm for the soul, a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. The gentle rustling of the crops in the breeze, the sight of the sun setting over the fields, and the sound of birds singing in the distance all contribute to a sense of calm and well-being. A walk through these fields is a balm for the soul. It's an opportunity to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty of the natural world. The fields are a place where one can find solace and inspiration, a reminder of the enduring power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. Each step through the fields is a journey through time, a chance to connect with the land and the people who have tended it for generations. The gentle breeze whispers through the crops, carrying with it the scent of wildflowers. This is a place where nature and humanity exist in perfect harmony, each one enhancing the beauty and vitality of the other. The scent of wildflowers mingles with the earthy aroma of the soil, creating a sensory experience that is both invigorating and soothing. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures of life and the enduring beauty of the natural world. The mighty Chenab River flows through the heart of Daska, a town that thrives on its banks. This river, one of the 5 major rivers of the Punjab region, has been a lifeline for centuries. Its waters have nurtured civilizations, supported agriculture, and provided a habitat for diverse wildlife. The Chenab's journey begins in the Himalayas, where it is born from the confluence of the Chandra and Bhaga rivers. As it meanders through the plains, it brings with it the essence of life, carving out a path that sustains everything in its wake. This life-giving river is the lifeline of the region. The people of Daska have a deep connection with the Chenab, relying on its waters for their daily needs. From drinking water to irrigation, the river's bounty is indispensable. The lush greenery along its banks is a testament to the fertility of the land, made possible by the Chenab's nourishing flow. Local farmers can be seen working tirelessly, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the river. It provides water for irrigation, sustaining the vast agricultural lands. The fields of Daska are a patchwork of green, gold, and brown, each color representing a different stage of the agricultural cycle. The irrigation canals, fed by the Chenab, are the veins that carry life-giving water to these fields. Without the river, the land would be barren, unable to support the crops that feed the local population and beyond. The Chenab is also a source of great beauty. As the sun sets, the river transforms into a canvas of colors, reflecting the sky's changing hues. The tranquil waters mirror the oranges, pinks, and purples of the sunset, creating a breathtaking spectacle. This natural beauty is a source of inspiration and solace for the people who live along its banks. Its waters reflect the changing colors of the sky. In the early morning, a mist rises from the river, shrouding the landscape in a mystical veil. The Chenab's surface glistens with the first light of dawn, a serene and almost otherworldly sight. This daily transformation is a reminder of the river's ever-changing nature, a constant yet dynamic presence in the lives of those who depend on it. A network of canals crisscrosses the landscape, carrying water from the Chenab to the fields. These man-made channels are a marvel of engineering, designed to maximize the distribution of water. They ensure that even the farthest reaches of farmland receive the nourishment they need. The sight of these canals, filled with clear, flowing water, is a testament to human ingenuity and the harmonious relationship between nature and technology. These canals are a testament to the ingenuity of the people of Daska. Over generations, they have developed sophisticated irrigation systems that make the most of the Chenab's waters. The farmers' knowledge and skills have been passed down through the ages, ensuring that each new generation can continue to cultivate the land effectively. This blend of tradition and innovation is what makes Daska's agricultural system so resilient and productive. They have harnessed the power of nature to create a thriving agricultural system. The fields are meticulously tended, with crops planted in neat rows and irrigation channels running alongside. This careful planning and hard work result in bountiful harvests, which not only feed the local community but also contribute to the wider economy. The Chenab's waters are the lifeblood of this system, enabling the land to produce a rich variety of crops. The sound of water flowing through the canals is a constant reminder of life and abundance. This gentle, soothing sound is ever present, a background symphony that underscores the daily activities of the people. It is a reminder of the river's generosity and the prosperity it brings. The Chenab's waters are not just a physical resource, they are a symbol of hope and continuity for the community. The Chenab River is also a haven for wildlife. Its banks are teeming with life, from fish swimming in its depths to birds nesting in the trees. The river provides a habitat for a diverse array of species, each playing a role in the ecosystem. Animals come to drink from its waters, finding sustenance and shelter in the lush surroundings. The Chenab is a vital artery that supports not just human life, but a rich tapestry of biodiversity. Migratory birds flock to its banks, seeking refuge and sustenance. Every year, the Chenab becomes a temporary home for countless birds on their migratory journeys. These birds, traveling vast distances, find a safe haven along the river's banks. The sight of flocks taking flight or resting by the water is a spectacular display of nature's cycles. The Chenab's role as a sanctuary for these travelers highlights its importance beyond the local community. The air is filled with their calls. The sounds of bird calls create a vibrant soundscape, adding to the river's lively atmosphere. These calls, a mix of different species, form a natural chorus that is both beautiful and reassuring. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life forms that depend on the Chenab. The river's health is reflected in the diversity and abundance of wildlife it supports. The river is a reminder that Daska is not just a place for humans, but a vital part of a larger ecosystem. The Chenab River, with its life-giving waters, is the heart of this ecosystem. It sustains not only the people of Daska, but also the myriad forms of life that call its banks home. This interconnected web of life is a testament to the river's enduring legacy and its crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. The Chenab is more than just a river, it is a symbol of life, resilience, and the beauty of the natural world. The fertile lands of Daska produce a bounty of crops. Wheat, the staff of life, is a staple here. Its golden fields are a common sight. Rice, another important crop, thrives in the irrigated paddies. Sugarcane, with its tall stalks, adds sweetness to the landscape. The harvest season in Daska is a time of great celebration. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter and the aroma of freshly harvested crops. Farmers gather to reap the rewards of their hard work. It is a time for families to come together and give thanks for the abundance of the land. The fruits and vegetables grown in Daska are renowned for their flavor. From juicy mangoes to succulent melons, the region's produce is a treat for the senses. The local markets are a riot of color and fragrance. They offer a glimpse into the heart of Daska's agricultural abundance.